And what we do is that I offer homeowners what I call a lucrative offer. So a minimum of a 36-month lease. In some cases, most cases, the leases are 5 years. In some cases, location dependent, homeowners will get a seven-year lease agreement. In exchange for that, one, they get to focus on building equity and appreciation in their home, and then we manage the property. And understanding that a lot of what property managers do, it's inherent within the short-term rental business. So you've got a platform, whether it's VBRO or Airbnb, and a lot of those services are right there, right? So the second key point to that is you save the homeowner anywhere from 8 to 10% a year in property management fees. So a long-term lease agreement followed by in-house property management allows homeowners to essentially eliminate rental and tenant inefficiencies and get some stability, and then also the prospect of having a home that's cleaned 2 to 3 times a week. It's also very inviting because they know that the backbone of a short-term rental business relies on its ability to be clean. It has to be as advertised in order for it to work. So once you tie those 3 things in together, and then that's essentially built into now a script or an email that goes out, it becomes a very attractive offer for homeowners that are looking to rent their homes.
Man, that you are a smart guy, Alvin. That is pretty unique because as part of like a rental arbitrage business, you're going out there, you're pitching landlords, and kind of one of the things that made me think is like, okay, well, if they're not open to rental arbitrage, maybe they're open to property management. But from the property management standpoint of, hey, if you're looking to increase your income, and kind of like my pitch is like, hey, if you're looking to increase your income, then I can help you do that by managing your property for you. But what you're saying is, hey, I'll manage your property for free under the condition that I can sublease it for you.
Absolutely. And that's what sweetens the deal, in my opinion.